Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning Electronics. In this video, we are going to solve another numerical related to Thevenin theorem. In the previous classes, I have already taught you the statement of Thevenin theorem and steps of finding the load current to the load resistance by Thevenin theorem. And we have already seen the methods of finding the Thevenin resistance when dependent sources are given in the DC circuit, and we have also solved the numericals related to all the methods. So if you want to see that videos, you can check in the description box below, or you can go to the channel playlist for seeing that video. So before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get more updated videos from here. Now let us solve another question related to Thevenin theorem. Here the question is obtain Thevenin equivalent circuit across X and Y terminals. So this is X terminal and this is Y terminal. First we have to find out the Thevenin voltage VTH, which is equal to open circuit voltage across this open terminals. So let the voltage across X and Y terminal is VOC. Then we have to find out the equivalent resistance of this circuit looking into the open terminals, that is R equivalent, which is equal to Thevenin resistance RTH. Then we have to draw the Thevenin equivalent circuit by placing Thevenin voltage VTH in series with the Thevenin resistance RTH. Okay. So first we will find out the open circuit voltage VOC, which is equal to Thevenin voltage VTH. For this we assume a loop current in this loop I. Here in this branch no current will flow because this is a open circuit. So the drop across this resistance of 3 ohm will be 0. Okay. So whatever current flowing in this branch will flow in this branch also. So here I current will flow, here also I current will flow, and in this branch 9 volt will come. Okay, because in parallel the voltage will be same. So here 9 volt will come across these two nodes. So now we apply KVL. Let us take this as loop 1. By KVL in loop 1 we get plus 9, because 9 volt is there across these two nodes, plus 9, then minus 2 into I, then we end up with minus here, so minus 3, then minus 2 into I, then here we end up with minus 10 equal to 0. So from this we get 4I is equal to minus 4, therefore I is equal to minus 1 ampere we are going to get. Okay, let this be equation number 1. Now we will take this loop for finding out the open circuit voltage VOC. So we have taken this loop, this is X node, this is Y node, and we have to find out VOC. So apply KVL in this loop 2. So here the current I is flowing and here the current is 0. Let this be small I is equal to 0 here. By KVL in loop 2 we get VOC, then minus 5, then minus I into 3 minus 2 into capital I minus 10 is equal to 0. Since I is equal to 0, due to open circuit, VOC minus 5 minus 0 minus 2I minus 10 is equal to 0 we will get. Okay. Now we put the value of I here. We got I is equal to minus 1 ampere from the equation number 1. So put equation number 1. We get VOC minus 5 minus 2 into minus 1 minus 10 is equal to 0. So we get VOC is equal to 13 volt. So this is the open circuit voltage, and VOC is equal to Thevenin voltage VTH, which is equal to 13 volt we are getting. Okay. Now we are going to find out the Thevenin resistance. For this we have to deactivate the constant sources. The voltage source is replaced by short circuit and current source is replaced by open circuit. So this is the voltage source, this is a voltage source, this is a voltage source, and this is also a voltage source. 4 voltage sources are given, they are replaced by short circuit, and this 2 ampere current source will be replaced by open circuit like this. We have replaced the voltage sources by short circuit and current sources by open circuit like this. So here we can see that since it is a open circuit, the current through this 3 ohm resistor will be 0. So we can omit this branch, and this is a short circuit, and this 9 ohm resistance is in parallel with this short circuit. So this branch is also omitted because current always follows the lowest resistance part. So all the current will flow through this branch only. So there is no use of this branch. Okay. So after omitting this branch and this branch, we will get this type of circuit. Now you can see this 2 ohm resistor and this 2 ohm resistor are in parallel with each other. When we look through this open terminals from here, we can shift this 2 ohm resistor here like this. Now we can see that this 2 ohm and this 2 ohm are parallel with each other. When we solve this parallel combination, we get 2 into 2 divided by 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4 by 4. 1 ohm we are getting. Okay. Now this is replaced like this. Now when we are looking through these open terminals, this 3 ohm and this 1 ohm are in series with each other, and resistances are in series are added. So total resistance will be 4 ohm we are getting. Okay. So this is our R equivalent resistance of the circuit, which is equal to 4 ohm, and this R equivalent is equal to Thevenin resistance RTh. So now we can draw the Thevenin equivalent circuit using VTh and RTh. VTh we got 13 volt and RTh we got 4 ohm. Okay, so this is the Thevenin equivalent circuit for the circuit given across X and Y terminals. Okay. So hope you have understood the numerical. Thank you very much for watching, and please do subscribe my channel for more updates.